Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this, very unique Tuesday afternoon. You're looking at downtown Providence. That is not fog or reduced visibility from precipitation or low clouds, but rather smoke. It's not unusual to have smoke being carried all the way, wildfire smoke being carried all the way to the East Coast from either fires up in Canada and even out on the West Coast. But that's what this is. But what's a little unusual is that usually, most times, the smoke tends to be in the much higher levels of the atmosphere. But this is actually a little lower. It's not to say that there's a thick smoke when you're walking on the ground, but it is a little lower than usual. And the net result here is you got, a very milky sky, hazy sunshine rather than a deep blue sky. And it's the reason why we actually have an air quality alert for today and this evening, not for ozone levels, but rather fine particulates of smoke from distant wildfires. In fact, we take a look, and again, the winds in both the lower and the upper levels of the atmosphere can carry smoke from the West Coast in Canada all the way to the East Coast, and that, quite simply, that is what's happening right now. When you look at the visibilities, while they're not poor, they're not unlimited either. We've got visibilities anywhere from about 5 to 6 miles. And again, that is not due to precipitation or fog or moisture, but rather some of that smoke. Well, still, folks enjoying the beach. We've got hazy sunshine through that smoke layer, and temperatures warm and humid. Take a look at our threat tracker. Now, we have it elevated for today just because of the air quality alert. I'm actually more concerned, though, about the weather alert that we have for Wednesday. And quite simply, scattered thunderstorms are likely. And the concern here is that some may be strong to severe. This is pretty much centered on the mid to late afternoon and early evening hours of Wednesday. So anytime between roughly 2 and say 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, really need to be kind of weather aware. Thursday looks gorgeous. Nice day there. Locally, nothing on Doppler radar. Here's the wider view. We've got a few storms up in upstate New York and southern Vermont. Not a factor in our forecast. Oh, I didn't know I had this in here. All right, I'll show this to you anyway. So this is a very high resolution satellite photo. And if you look closely, these are clearly clouds right up in here. These are thunderstorms. But this little thin veil, this little hazy veil, watch it one more time right in here. Right in here. That's the smoke being detected on the satellite photo. All right, our next weather maker is this front across the Great Lakes. And this will be the trigger as it drops south and east to set off some of these strong to perhaps borderline severe thunderstorms for our area on Wednesday afternoon. Let me get in real close. And it's the area shaded in yellow that has, and you can see the scale right up in here. We're kind of in the middle of the scale. This is not the chance for thunderstorms, but rather the risk of severe thunderstorms. We're in that slight category right in here. So damaging wind gusts, hail, lightning, localized downpours. So I'm going to watch the situation closely, be weather aware again on Wednesday afternoon. In fact, let's step you through it hour by hour. It's fairly quiet this evening, and overnight there may be a shower after midnight and into the pre-dawn hours. This is around 3 a.m. You see a passing shower. Should be gone by daybreak. So 8 o'clock in the morning, a blend of clouds and sunshine. We have a very warm, humid day. Look at the temperatures bouncing up to the mid and upper 80s. And then notice around 2 o'clock, you start to see some developing showers and thunderstorms, and then things really starting to light up. This is around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, storms. And then here we go with a pretty impressive line right in here. This is, unfortunately, during the evening commute, strong to severe thunderstorms, this little ribbon of red and orange and yellow. 7 o'clock in the evening. Well, watch what happens once we get beyond 7 o'clock and towards sunset. Things really start to fizzle out and skies clear out. So, how'd that get in here? All right, well, you know what? I didn't realize this was in here either. But this is another computer model depiction of Wednesday. And again, it shows, watch as we get into the afternoon. There you go. Watch how things light up with showers and storms coming through, and then it clears out during the early evening hours. So there's actually two computer projections that I just showed you. I meant to delete one of them for the sake of time. But you get an idea that really both computer models that we rely on are somewhat in agreement that we're going to get some thunderstorms here in the afternoon on Wednesday. For tonight, other than hazy skies, we're fairly quiet. There may be a leftover shower towards daybreak, but that should be ending. And in fact, overall, your Tuesday morning, really not too bad. Early showers at dawn, ending, becoming partly sunny. And last check, last I heard, sunny was spelled with two N's. See, this is what I get for typing too fast. All right, here we are Wednesday afternoon, and this is the time frame that we want to be concerned about here. Scattered strong thunderstorms, warm and humid. Before the storms come through, temperatures actually mid to upper 80s. That really includes the entire area, not just inland spots, but even along the south shore by late day and early evening. We'll have to watch for these storms. So wrapping up, we have the air quality alert for this evening, right through this evening, some of those smoky skies. And then the potential is there for scattered strong to severe thunderstorms on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.